Hey guys, it's Anna here at Dee's for another quick fall swag tutorial. This one's more of a traditional look. I'm just going to show it to you really quick because it's made just like all the other ones, but I wanted to give you another color option. So we've been showing you a lot of neutrals, but if neutrals aren't your thing, you love the fall colors, the reds, the oranges, and the golds, this one is for you. So I chose a big pumpkin stem here. It's kind of mixed. I love it when they always have like a pumpkin or something on there because it just adds another element. And I am going to add a few little orange berries in there just for a touch more of the orange. So if traditional fall colors are your thing, this one is perfect for you. So I'm going to start out like normal. I'm going to make this one just like all the other ones. So if you have bought the swag kits before on shopdeeslouisville.com, or you've seen one of the many videos showing you how to do it, you already know how to make this, go on shopdeeslouisville.com, grab the kit, you're ready to go. You can always grab the kit though and watch back to what I do with this video. But just really quickly, I'm going to cut the stem off the bottom of this pumpkin. This guy's a little bit thicker, so you need a strong wire cutters. It takes me a minute to get through them. A lot of people ask, ours are from Lowe's. They're just really heavy duty, so they're nice. All right, I'm going to fluff some of this down past the pumpkin. And like usual, this swag can be put on a boxwood, a grapevine. I'm actually going to hold it up for you on a grapevine. I have my boxwood here and then a lantern as well. So I've got that one all fluffed. I'm ready for the berries. I'm going to chop the stems off of those and the tags. And the reason I did berries, these are nice water resistant so they won't pop outside. But I just wanted a little bit more orange, just to give you that traditional fall coloring. So I'm going to fluff those and I'm going to lay that right behind this pumpkin here. And as you can see, it just adds a nice pop of that color. And it looks really good on the green, but it would also be large enough to put on a grapevine. So now I'm ready to do my ribbon. I went with a mix of like a traditional plaid and a polka dot because I always love a dot. With the dot, I did the moss green with the ivory and the 2.5 inch. I'm going to use that in the back. I'm going to do it like normal where I make a couple loops. Drop to the floor, make a couple loops, and then cut your tail. Get that tail out of your way. And like usual, if I'm going too fast for you, I have videos on this YouTube channel where I'm going really slow on the floral swags. If you need the bow part slowed down or the stem part slowed down. Next up is a 1.5 inch traditional fall plaid. It's got all the colors that are in the stems, the reds, the green, the gold. I'm going to make a couple loops of that on here too. If you really like this too, in the kit you'll get enough. You can make 3 loops and I might go ahead and do that just because I like a lot of that plaid to pop. So I went ahead and made 3 loops there. I'm going to chop that, grab my little wire here, go right on top. And with this one, I'm going to go right above the pumpkin. So where that stem, berry stem lays on top of there, right above this pumpkin, I'm just going to take this bow, go right in there, make sure I have both stems, tie it in a nice knot. And like before too, if you're buying this kit for a lantern, you can absolutely do that. I've got a medium size here. You just need to pull those longer tails towards the bottom and those shorter ones towards the top. And you can easily twist this swag right onto a lantern. That's what's so nice about these swag pieces is you can use them so many different places. Say you don't have lanterns at your house, it's not your style. You could put this on your mantle or in a bookcase. Like if you have an empty shelf in your bookcase, you could put it down a flagpole, mailbox. There's so many really great options for this. So again, I have it on the boxwood over here because the coloring. I'm going to put those tails back down. But I'm going to hold it up here. So if you've bought one of these boxwoods before, this is a great swag to put on a boxwood. But I'm actually going to twist it onto a grapevine today too to show you. So if you have an older grapevine at home, this works great to twist right on there. So I've got, and the grapevines always look so nice for fall. So I've got my 18-inch grapevine here. All these parts are sold separately, the boxwood and the grapevine if you want to get the swag. But look how nice it is on just a plain grapevine. It takes up a lot of space. I'm going to twist it right on there. Move some stuff around, cut my tails, but as you can see, look how much it spruces up a plain grapevine, and you have a nice simple wreath. So if you have a storm door or you need to make a fall wreath for a friend for a gift, this is a great way to give them kind of a traditional look for really inexpensive. All right, I'm going to cut this longer tail. Again, I'm going to move around. I always like to kind of move my ribbon, bring some floral back in front of the bow. Move my tails around. Let's move this one to the front. So what's nice about the ribbon and all the stems being wired is you can move them wherever you want. But it just looks really nice on the grapevine, the boxwood, or the lantern. So if you like this look more, traditional fall is more your look, go on shopdeeslouisville.com, grab this traditional fall swag. It's got the nice polka dots, so it'll still give you something fun, fresh looking, but it's going to be perfect for the whole fall season.